Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi on Windows XP. First, ensure your computer has a wireless adapter, either built-in or a USB dongle. Next, it's crucial to install the correct drivers for that specific adapter. Without them, it won't function. You can usually find these on the manufacturer's website or an installation CD. Finally, verify the adapter is enabled in Device Manager, typically found under Network Adapters, to ensure it's ready for use. This foundational step is essential for any wireless connectivity. 19. Once your adapter is ready, navigate to the control panel and open Network Connections. 11. Right-click on your wireless connection icon and select Properties. Here, you'll typically find the Internet Protocol, TCP/IP option. Double-click it and ensure Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically are selected. 11. This configuration allows your computer to receive network settings from your router, which is the standard setup for most home and public Wi-Fi networks, making connection much smoother. 14. Now, double-click your wireless connection icon again to view available wireless networks. 10. Windows XP will display a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your desired network from this list. 4. If the network is secured, which most are, you will be prompted to enter the network security key or passphrase. This is usually found on a sticker on your router. Enter it carefully, ensuring accuracy, and then click Connect. Your computer should then establish a connection to the chosen Wi-Fi network within a few seconds. 4. If you encounter issues, there are a few common troubleshooting steps. First, check if the Wireless 0 configuration service is running. 2. You can find this in Administrative Tools under Services. Ensure its startup type is automatic and it's started. 6. Also, confirm your network adapter is receiving a valid IP address by using the ipconfig command in the command prompt. 14. Finally, a simple restart of both your computer and your wireless router can often resolve many connectivity problems, giving your network a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.